Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Lynn Haven, local and long distance movers near me. When you decide to engage a professional mover to assist with your relocation to or from Lynn Haven, you want to hire one of the best moving companies you can find for a reasonable price. You may have heard about the scams targeting customers looking for a mover and wonder how to avoid getting tangled up with a dishonest company. The best advice comes from consumer advocates who recommend that you stick with companies that register with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration and check references before you agree to do business with anyone. Registered movers follow the rule that FMCSA created to protect people from scams. And those include completing in-home surveys and providing written estimates. 3 Movers has an excellent record with consumers and always offers free, easy-to-understand written price quotes for our services. Motivated movers. If you already live in Lynn Haven area, you know how lucky you are. There's a good reason so many people move to Florida every year. When you're changing homes or moving your business, make sure to find a very good moving company like 3 Movers. We have a local office staffed by experienced movers who know the business and the area. For your peace of mind, we'll come to your home and business to complete a review of what you need to move. We will submit an estimate of the cost based on how long it will take us to do the work. Our representatives will answer any questions you have while they review the quote with you. In addition to local and long distance moving, Lynn Haven, our moving business, offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.